Hi, Grandma from Grandma's Footsteps again. Here we go. Now, last time we attached the back cover and I revealed my front cover. So I mentioned at that point that we had to do the inside of the front page, or the front cover, and the inside of the back cover. So what I've done is I've made these two, one for the front and one for the back. Now they're very, very simple. You had your basic sheet there, double-sided, but it's a nice thick card which we cut, and then out of white we cut this one for a pocket here, this pocket there, and then I cut a shorter one for a pocket there, and I covered them with different patterned papers. I had an offcut which I liked, and I just put across the here in both places across here, and a little button type tag, and then I made tags to go into the pockets. So that's all done, and all that remains now is to glue them inside the front and back cover. Now I made a little something because I wanted to put some charms on the book, so I've made this. Now this is very, very easy to make, actually, exceedingly easy to make. What I did was I got a large pink paper clip here, and I wrapped some paper around just the front of it. Okay, so it still actually works as a paper clip. Okay, and I glued that down, and into the bottom part which sticks out. Well, a little bit sticks out at the bottom, a little bit sticks out at the top. But out of the bottom, I put on this tassel. I've tied a knot in the centre of the tassel. Let's see if I can get just a little bit closer while we're looking at this. Let's see if we can, so you can see where we're going. Well, I can find the right place. There we go. Yeah, so we'll get you in a little bit closer. That'll do. There you go. Now you can see it, can't you? Here. So the paper clip like that. Paper just wrapped around the front part of the paper. The paper clip, sorry. I've stuck a bow with some pearls in the middle on there. 3 little pearls down there. Now this tassel was quite a long tassel, quite a big one, so I actually trimmed it off so it was the length that I wanted. I tied a knot here in the centre, and then with some jump rings I've attached 3 little charms. This one is love with a heart as the O. This one here, which insists on going backwards, is actually it's so difficult to see because it's tiny, is a teddy bear on a bike, and the bottom one says, it's a dog tag, and it says made with love. So that now will hang on the corner of the book and gives us that lovely charm. Now here is the book. I'm just going to take off all the pegs that I put on because I've stuck the front cover on, and so a lot of pegs. I didn't want it to move. Just pop the pegs away, get out of our workspace here, and I will take you back out a bit. A little bit further, a little bit further. There. Now hopefully if I turn it round, there is the front cover of the book. Okay, I've also done the back cover, and I decided that I would leave it plain. Now the reason for that decision is that's what it's going to lay on most of the time, so I didn't really want to add anything to it. And I've done the spine. Now the spine's going to be a difficult one to show you because of yeah, well, we'll try. We'll there we go. There you go. You can see it there. That's the spine. Yes. Okay. All I did was I used the same paper, but this is from the 6x6 pad, so it's a smaller pattern. I cut one of my lace pieces of lace with a die cut, and threaded the ribbon through there and stuck that. Well, I did cut out this shape first, which, as you can see, is a shape that we've used a lot through the book. And then I glued that on. I glued the lace on, and I put pearls in the spaces between the ribbons. And that is your spine, which is really good. Now, the paper clip that I've made is just going to go here, right on the corner, there, like so. So that it hangs down with the gems, sorry, not the gems, the charms and the tassel down that corner there. So that's that. So that is the front, the spine and the back completed. And the ribbon is well attached. It's not going anywhere, it goes all the way around the book, so there's no way it's going to disconglomerate. That's a good word, isn't it? Disconglomerate. Okay, now we need to stick our inside front cover and our inside back covers on. So this is it. This is where we go. So we'll add some glue there. Okay. Now if you lay the glue down, it leaks out all over the desk. If you don't lay it down, it doesn't come out when you pick it up. It's just me and glue.
Be careful, you just glued the desk.
Thank you very much, dear. I've glued the desk. Way! What a surprise. I don't normally do that, do I? Much. Okay. Me and glue. What can you say? There we go. And I've
you added sticky time together.
Lob of glue there. Oh, he's being funny now. Okay, so that goes in there. Just make sure that we've got it the right way up, because otherwise the pockets will be upside down and it won't really work. Okay, so we'll put that on. I'll put a peg there and a peg there, and I think we'll put a peg on each corner at the front here, just to help it till it glues completely. Okay, so that's the inside front cover done. And now, how about the inside, whoops, book sliding everywhere, the inside back cover, exactly the same. Put a bit of glue on it and away we go. Here we go. Oh yes, I've glued the desk, well done. But as I said, this glue likes to get all over the desk by itself. If I leave it laying down to make it easier for when I pick it up, then it will leak all over the desk. So it doesn't even need me on the other end of it to get all over the desk, it just does it. So here we go. Let's get that nicely glued around the edges there. I'll wipe up that bit of glue and we'll come in a little bit closer and we'll stick the inside back cover on, just like so. Couple of pegs, and that, my dears, is your basic book. Pretty well completed. I will be doing a project share so that we can see the book, all of the book from start to finish, with the all the pages and such like. And the bow will tie here at the front, like so. Just make a nice bow, which I probably won't be able to do because I'm on the camera and I never can tie a bow properly when people are watching me. Oh, that's not too bad. Yes it is. It's gone all loose. Typical. Oh well, there you go. You get the idea. The bow. Okay. I need to pull it a bit tighter, but that is your bow. That is the fastening, and it's not. This book is not going anywhere. It's heavy. It's very full. It's got lots of card and paper in it, and I am really pleased. I have loved showing you how I make this book. I'm hoping to do some more tutorials very soon, The next one, if I can work it out and if I feel up to it, I will be making doing a tutorial on how to make the box for this and decorate it. So yeah, that will be interesting, I hope. So thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe. It helps me a lot if you subscribe. And I love to read your comments. If you have any questions about any of the techniques I've used during these videos, please feel free to ask. You know, I don't claim to be an expert, but I will try and help whenever possible. And well, there you go. That's the last one for this book, unless I do the box. So thank you for watching. Take care out there, okay, and bye bye for now. Bye.